Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. We are in summertime, weather's warmer, and I love coming up with all the things that don't involve the kitchen, for the most part.
Right.
So what are we learning today?
So this
what
is
are we
perfect.
cooking?
It's a chili lime. I call it a rainbow slaw because we're going to use a lot of colorful vegetables. But this is great to take to a cookout. So you know when you go to a cookout, you might be getting a lot of meat, okay?
Right.
But maybe we should interject some vegetables in there.
That'd be a
And
great
you
idea.
bring them, okay?
There you go.
So the chili lime rainbow slaw. I have purchased a coleslaw mix that has green cabbage and carrots, some shredded red cabbage, and some shredded carrots.
Okay.
You could totally shred all of these on your own. You could put them through your food processor. You could shred them on your cutting board with a knife. But if this is the thing that's keeping you from making slaw, really anything, like if it's the thing that's keeping you from cooking in the kitchen, buy it already chopped.
Okay.
Yep, that's my message for today.
No, I like it because it's true. Because sometimes, like, if you're looking at time or just maybe not really good at it, whatever.
Right.
It's an option that you can still bring something beautiful to the cookout and healthier with the meat, and then you can still have fun.
And then also, if you bought a head of green cabbage, a head of red cabbage, and then however many pounds of carrots to equal this, I mean, the carrots wouldn't necessarily go to waste, but if you weren't apt to use the rest of that head, that's a lot of cabbage is all I'm saying.
True.
And so really, it's not expensive in the end and if you don't use all of the whole cabbages.
Because you would normally use it the whole thing, and then you're having to come up with another plan.
Right.
I gotcha.
Okay, so easy peasy. We're just going to put a little bit of the slaw mix. Again, this is just green cabbage and shredded carrots.
Okay.
Some red cabbage or purple cabbage, whichever you call it.
Whatever you would like to call it.
That's right. And then the shredded carrots.
Okay.
Also delicious would be to add some green onion, some red or purple onion, any kind of onion you want, right? And we'll do the cilantro.
You have to have onion. If you don't like onion, you're just kind of throwing it in.
We didn't
for a
even do
little more
any
flavor.
onion.
Okay.
Yeah, we didn't even put any onion in this. Trying to make it as simple as possible, something that you could buy
See how fun
right
and
off the
colorful
shelf.
that
Yeah,
is?
it's gorgeous.
I love that.
You already know this is so good for you. And then we have a vinaigrette that is olive oil, lime juice, chili powder, cumin, garlic, and a little bit of honey.
Okay.
I don't think we'll probably won't use
And they'll be
all
able to
of
get that on the on the website if they want to learn that particular one.
Right. And that's just going to get all tossed together. We have some chopped cilantro.
Okay. Oh my goodness, it just looks so good with all the color.
It really does look delicious.
And then you can be the one that brings the fun vegetables to that cookout.
Yeah, that's
that
right.
Everybody's enjoying.
Right. Okay.
I'm just going to get my bowl ready.
Get your bowl ready. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Taster for you.
All right.
And so if you don't love carrots, just use all cabbage. I mean, you can really do what you want with this. Jicama, that would be another awesome thing to add to it. Very cold and crisp. Yes. Very nice chilled.
It's so good, and it's light, and it's flavorful, and it's perfect to bring to your next friend's cookout.
Right.
So, great idea. Thank you, as always. If you want to learn this recipe and take it to your next cookout, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.